What's up, YouTube? It's Jay, back in the shop again. Today is the day. Exciting announcement. We are going to pick a winner for the Craftsman Toolbox, which all you guys voted to leave it patinaed. Unfortunately, some of the people who voted to leave it patinaed didn't leave the comment that says Toolbox me, so I had to leave you guys out. So yeah, we're going to pick somebody at random. Actually, the interwebby device is going to pick somebody at random. We have a wheel with everybody's name in it who commented Toolbox me, and today's the day. We also have a little bonus beer spot on the wheel, so if we hit that spot first, when we send the toolbox out, we're going to send a little care package along with it. So thanks for the commenter who suggested that. Great suggestion. So I guess without further ado, guys, let's get to it. Guys, we're going to spin the wheel and let's see who wins this Craftsman Toolbox. Good day. It's a good day in the shop. We got the bonus beer slot, so that means that whoever wins this toolbox on the next spin is going to get a little bit of a care package when we send it out to you. So let's check out the next spin, see who wins this thing. There it is. Well, we have a winner. Congratulations, Mike Hoffman. You did it, man. There's the proof right on the screen. Totally random. So there you go, guys. I want to thank everyone for trying to win this, and we really appreciate your guys' support. So there it is, man. We're going to send this out, and hopefully you'll enjoy the heck out of your new Craftsman, well, not new, your Craftsman, vintage Craftsman Toolbox. All right, guys. Well, I feel like Santa Claus today. We're getting ready to spin the wheel again, the wheel of beer, cheer, and bench vices. We're going to see who wins the bench vice today so I can get it out of my shop. A couple of you guys responded, said you could really use it, which is awesome. If I can help somebody out getting their shop going, that'd be really cool. And you know, keep in touch with us and let us know what you're making with it. So let's check it out. Let's see who wins. All right, guys, well, the wheel's with us today. That's the second time it landed on the beer slot. So when we send this vice out, there is going to be a care package included for you also along with the vice. We're not going to tell you what it is, but you'll get something cool. So let's see who actually wins it. All right, well, Mr. Brightstar, you are the winner. You brightened up the day, man. It's awesome. So we're going to send that out, hopefully within the next couple days, because I am going away for a few days, so I'm trying to catch up on everything before I go away. So hopefully we'll get that out to you in a couple days. I need the winners to send me a private message on YouTube with your addresses, so I know where I'm shipping this stuff to. All right, so don't forget to do that, and we'll get that out as soon as possible. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Smash that like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.